How to manage your account security settings on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your account security settings easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to freelancer.com and log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just click here in the top, click on your name, click on here settings, click on account security. Now from here you can add two-factor authentication, and you can also see the login devices to check if your account is hacked or something. And you can also go here and to verify and make your account more strong. You can add the email address, phone number, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can also do this important step. It's verify ID. It's the good one here. And you can also add authenticate credit or debit card from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.